What's up? Today we're going to be reviewing, unboxing, and looking at my powerful 2-in-1 hand blender that I got off Amazon for only $19.99. Right now it's around $21.99, but there is an extra 5% off coupon available at checkout. So hurry up and check it out, folks. Let's get this. I want this hand blender so it can help me mix my liposomal vitamin C. I didn't want to get the expensive vitamin yet. In the future I will. Alright, there's that bubble. And here it is. It's called the KOIOS 2-in-1 hand blender. Smart speed. 6 speeds. It's a 500 watts. Detachable. Comes with 2-year warranty. Box. Pretty nice and sturdy. Little bit dusty up here. Looks cool, people. Let's get inside this box and see what we got. Looking nice and protected in there. First we're gonna pull out some of these attachments. Here's one of the, ooh, look at that. Looks like a little mini blender blade inside there. This is obviously one of the arms. This is where it was. Inside that we have another arm. For the batters, you know, the pancake batters. Put it in your drinks. Zzz. Nice. It's another arm. Both stainless steel. Pretty sturdy. I like that. I like these little wire thingies, whatever they are. They're not stiff, so you know I won't be afraid to put it in a glass and blend that mofo right up. We also got, wow, nice, 12 creative ways to use your immersion blender. Cool, cool. Let's just take a quick peek inside this. Roasted tomato and basil soup. Comes with ingredients too. Nice, you know we want to keep all that organic. Pumpkin soup, nice. Mushroom marinara sauce. Sounds delicious, right? Curried pumpkin and coconut soup. Nice. We also have some homemade ketchup. What? Right on. Lime, cilantro, mason jar marinade. All these sound delicious. Blueberry, lemon, Dutch baby. You know I want that. Cool. Very nice. I didn't know it came with that. We also have another little booklet in here. See what it is. Welcome to the new wonderful kitchen life. Gives you some parts names. Alright. How to use the hand blender. How to use your whisk. Okay, so this is the hand blender. And this is the whisk. For whisking up that egg batter. And here it is. The blender itself. Whoa. Decent weight. It's pretty not heavy. It's not that heavy, but it feels like there's a lot of things in there. A lot of mechanics. It's cord. 500 watts power. Got some buttons right here. I'm assuming that's to detach the items. We got the turbo button, the on button, and the setting speeds right up here. 6 speeds. Right now it's on 5. Let's plug it in. Just see how this baby powers up. Excuse me, boxes. I'm gonna get get over here into the power. Alright, so let's attach the hand blender and see what's popping. In some other videos I might show you guys me using this in some products, mainly when I'm making my liposomal vitamin C. Oh yeah, so the hand blender arms in. We're gonna hit the power button on the 5th speed. But let's just start low. Ooh, nice little clicks as you turn. Let's start low. Here's 1. Ooh. Ooh, that's powerful. 1's already powerful. So hold it down. Let's hold down that turbo button. Whoa. Settle down there, cowboy. Let's go to 2. Nice. I'm gonna jump all the way to 5. Whoa. I'm so scared to put my finger in there. You guys gotta be really careful. You'll chop your finger right off. How powerful it looks. Let's jump all the way to 6. Nice. This bad boy's gonna have some blending power. I can tell you that right now. Very impressive, sturdy build. Hit that turbo button on the 6 speed. Whoa. That is a scary little thing right there. You don't want to put your finger in there. But I can't wait to blend some stuff up. Here's the release buttons on the side. Came right off. Let's check out this wisp. We're gonna put that in 4 speed. I like that. I like those little sounds. Oh yeah, I like that. Here it is. Nice. Decent. Let's go to 6. Oh yeah. That's got some wisp power. Let's go to turbo on 6. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff right there. Luckily, I got this for only $19.99. Right now, it's $21.99 with a 5% off coupon. You should check it out. It has a lot of good reviews, and overall, I'm pretty impressed for the price. I'm happy. Can't wait to use this to mix my liposomal vitamin C. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a good time. I'm happy. So if you guys want this specific hand blender, I'm going to put the link down below where you can check it out for yourself. See if you want to make a purchase. As always, I get a small cut. Keeps me motivated to make these videos for you guys. And it helps out a lot. Helps out a lot. It's not much, but hey, it counts, right? And I might put some links to a couple other hand blenders on there if you want something, I don't know, higher grade. There might be some lower grade ones, but for sure this one's going to be down in the description of this video. Check it out for yourself. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next video, peace.